Welcome to this video on how to use Spark Transfer, SparkBot's automated function for wallet transfers, which will allow you to move your crypto to other wallets such as cold storage or third-party hot wallets such as MetaMask. Keep in mind that this is an optional feature. To get started, click on Spark Transfer. SparkBot will reply with the ability to add a wallet. From here you simply paste in the wallet address where you'd like your proceeds to be transferred to. Again, this could be a hot or cold wallet. Ideally, you will transfer any proceeds from your transactions to a safe cold storage wallet. Once your Spark Transfer wallet is set, any buys or sells you make with SparkBot will give you an option to transfer proceeds of your transactions to the wallet you have set. This concludes this short video tutorial on Spark Transfer.